Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will basically show you how to merge or concatenate or join multiple PDF documents into a single output file. And in the last two tutorials we saw how to use PDF-LIB library in order to create a basic PDF document and how to add images from your local PC inside PDF. So in this we will basically merge, concatenate two documents, PDF documents. So I will take example of this. It contains one page if you see, and the second PDF document contains two pages. So now if I want to merge these two documents, guys, if I select these two documents and click on merge PDF, so the output file, if you see, the output file is downloaded merge.pdf. If I open this file, it will contain three pages. You will see that three pages it contains. First is this one, and the second one this one. So the output file contains three pages, so the content all the pages of the PDF document has been successfully merged into a single document. So I will show you this application, free application. You can run it in the browser. No server-side code is required for this. So as I already told you guys, this is a library we will use, PDF-lib. It's a JavaScript library which allows you to modify your PDF documents and create PDF documents. It's a very advanced library and we are basically making tutorials step by step, and this is the third tutorial of this library on this channel. And now let's start building this. So for every tutorial just make an index.html file, guys, and here once again we will include the CDN for the library. So just make a script tag and you need to include the CDN here like this: https unpackaged.com/pdflib. And here, guys, we will have a input type file and we will give it an ID of PDF input. We will only accept PDF documents and multiple. So here we can select multiple PDF documents. A button will be there which will say merge PDF. We will basically give it a on-click event handler, guys, which is merge and download. So this function will execute, guys, whenever you click the button. And now we just need to write the JavaScript code. So this will be the JavaScript code, guys. So right here we will basically make this function, which when we click the button, this function will execute. So this function will be async, and inside this function what we need to do is that we need to select the files which the user has selected. We can simply say here, we have given the ID which is PDF input. We can simply write PDF input and then the number of files the user select. So it will be coming inside files. This will be an array, and now we just need to loop through every file in the PDF document. So here we will simply compare that if the length is smaller than 2, then we will simply say to the user that please select at least two files, at least two PDF files. And after that, guys, we will basically create a PDF document. So this allows you to create, we can use await here. So PDF-lib dot PDF document dot create. So this will actually create a PDF document for you, and inside this we will use a for loop, and here we will loop through the number of files the user has selected, dot length I plus plus. And for each file the user select, guys, we just need to first of all get the reference of it, PDF files dash I. And after getting this reference, guys, we just need to convert this into a base64 code. So we just need to create a function, a custom function, which will actually take the file, actual PDF file, and convert this into a base64 code. So we just need to make this function, which is get PDF bytes. It will have the PDF file as an argument, which will be passed to this. So in the last tutorial also, guys, when we inserted images, I written this function. So same function will be required here also. We will return a promise here and we will use the file reader API, guys. And after that, we have the onload function. whenever the file loads, and we will basically resolve this by passing new intar and reader.result. And if any sort of error take place, in that case we can reject the promise by passing the error. So reject and error. And here we will read the file as array buffer. So you can even read this as binary string or data URL also. You will read it as a arrow buffer, pass the file, that's all. This will return the convert this PDF document into binary or base64 code. So this makes it very much easy, guys, in order to use it inside this library. After you do this, you just need to say existing PDF doc await PDF library dot PDF document dot load and PDF bytes. And here, guys, we need to copy the pages and merge it into a output file. So here inside this library supports, guys. So what I can say is that I can shift this code into a separate file. This makes it easy for you to understand the code. So what I will do, paste it here and format the document because the formatting was not looking good. So what I will do is that reference this file, script source index.js. So inside this file, guys, as we done this process, so we now need to copy all the pages. So for copying the pages, guys, we can say copied pages await PDF doc dot copy pages. So it contains this method, guys, copy pages, this library, and we will actually copy all the pages of all the files which are selected by the user. So existing PDF doc, comma, the existing PDF doc dot get page indices. This is the second argument that you need to pass it inside this function, guys, and that's all. And in the next line we just need to save this. So after you do this, you just need to say copied pages dot for each. We will use a for each loop here, and for each page we will simply say we just need to say PDF doc dot add page. We just need to, in order to add a page in the PDF document, this contains a method add page. We will pass the page number, that's all. This will copy all the pages, and after you do this, guys, we just need to go outside this for loop, and here we will actually need to merge it into a single file and download it as an attachment. So await, we will save the file, first of all save it and then download. So in order to download it as an attachment, first of all give it a file name merge.pdf. We now need to define this function, which is async function download PDF, and this function, this need not have to be async. You can remove that async keyword, and this expects two arguments, guys, that needs to be passed, which is PDF bytes and the file name. And we just need to convert this into a blob. We can say new blob and PDF bytes, and type needs to be here application PDF. So this is a mem type of every file. For PDF files, this is application/PDF. Now we just need to create a link element, document.create element a, anchor tag, and link.href. And this needs to be window.url.create object URL, and we will pass here blob. It will create the URL for you. Now we can dynamically download the file. You can give the file name and click it, link.click. This completes the application, guys. So if you refresh your application, if I open this with live server and select here your multiple PDF documents, 3 files, and click on merge PDF. So what should happen? It should merge and download is not defined. Let me see, guys. I made a mistake in doing this. Merge and download. Okay, merge and download. Let me just make it merge so that there is no mistake out there. Merge. Okay, index.js was, just move this file right here in the root directory. So now it should work, guys. If I select it, 3 files I select. File is not defined. Okay, sorry guys. So inside this function, this was named as PDF file. So this needs to be PDF file. While coding, guys, silly mistakes can happen. So just forgive me for that. Now your file has been successfully merged, guys, and you can open it in the browser, and it contains 5 pages: first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So in this way, guys, you can merge, concatenate multiple PDF documents using this awesome library PDF-LIB in the browser using the CDN that I showed you. It's very easy, and I will make more advanced tutorials of this library in the upcoming tutorials and videos. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and share this video with your friends as well.